So I just want to take a couple of minutes and talk about this wonderful tool right here called a speed square. I'm just going to show you some of the basic things it does. The first one is very obvious. We call it a speed square because it tells you if something is square, or you can make a line square. And what I mean by square is 90 degrees or a right angle. So if I take a board and I put my speed square against it like this, I know that this line and that right there are square. You have a right angle 90 degrees. But what a lot of people don't realize is that you can actually get anything between 0 and 90 degrees. Let me show you how real quick. I'm looking at a speed square here. Again, 90 is easy. I just put it there, make a line, and that's 90. But what if I want a different number? So what I can do here, I'll work this way, is if I put it on just like that, I'm gonna pay attention to these numbers on the line right here. And I'm going to pay attention to this edge, this back edge. So if I start rotating, here's my pivot point. If I start rotating this, a different number over here is going to be lined up with the edge. For instance, I can go to right there, and 5 is lined up right along that line. What that tells me is that this line over here is 5 degrees. So if I make a line there, that's 5 degrees. I can keep going. I can go further here. Let's say I go to 20 degrees. Again, the 20 is lined up here with this edge. So this over here is 20 degrees. And you can do that all the way up. 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, and then when you get to the end, well, now you're at 90 degrees. So, again, pivot point, number on this side from here lined up on the end gives you the angle on this side.